Praesent3D, Multimedia Training and Presentation System. Praesent3D is a database-driven learning and presentation multimedia environment for various groups of users. There are three areas: Image Area, Information Area, and Navigation Area. In the Image Area, photographs, films, and animations are displayed. Certain parts of the Image Area can be linked to text. This information can be accessed in either the Image or Navigation Area. Looking at an overview of the plant facilities, one can select individual parts of the facilities. Each area consists of individual locations, at which the user can always access additional information. The individual locations can be accessed in either the Image or Navigation Area. By selecting the area of the slab yard, we arrive at the starting point of our virtual plant visit. What you see here is not a film, but a 360-degree panoramic image. In such a panoramic image, the user can see the locations from multifarious perspectives simply by pointing and clicking the mouse into the desired direction. For a greater overview, one can zoom out. The camera work is not preset, but is determined by the user through a movement of the mouse. Thanks to the high-quality resolution of our images, the user is able to focus on details through the zoom function. Panoramic images with extensive touch-ups in various exposures offer clearly higher brilliance in color and plasticity than in reality. Selected parts in the graphic area can be highlighted by the administrator and linked to text. Every user group receives feedback through various colors in the navigation module. With this feedback, the user can observe which information has been accessed and which has not. Information that has been viewed is colored red. Green text indicates information has already been accessed. Black refers to optional information that can be accessed if desired. Panoramic images can be linked to each other. The user can jump from location to location. In this manner, the user is able to obtain a realistic impression of the entire facilities. The system records the length of time which users take to look at information. This data is recorded to allow for later evaluation and optimization of the study content. The steel slab on its path of delivery from the slab yard and on through the walking beam furnace continues down in the direction of the rolling mill. In the image area, other media can also be used as panoramas. The panoramic image can even be combined with films and 3D animations, as the following example will show. Firstly, the user can switch between individual panoramic images that were taken of the same location at different points in time. This technique creates a time-lapse effect in which one can get a general impression of the various steps in production. Secondly, individual areas of the panorama can also be integrated as video. This in no way affects the range of navigation. Thereby, the user can retrace production and assembly processes in their actual environment. Thirdly, it is also possible to link external videos in order to elucidate individual locations.
Die Brammen werden in zwei Hubbalkenöfen kontrolliert, aufgeheizt und homogen durchwärmt.
Here we are using a panoramic image of a power plant to show the integration of real-time animation. This virtual turbine can be observed in its actual environment. In reality, however, this turbine would not be visible to the naked eye due to its outer casing. With a click of the mouse, the user can visually isolate the turbine and examine its construction and its mode of operation in detail. A complete virtual environment can replace the panoramic image of a respective location. Similar to a computer game, one can explore the plant facilities. The observer can concentrate on important aspects of a specific location in a virtual reality that is reconstructed and schematically represented. An exceptional characteristic of Praesent3D is its user concept. According to the user level, one receives information tailored to a respective level. This means users receive information that is appropriate to that level. For example, visitors and office employees only get an overview. Employees have the opportunity to get to know other areas they do not work in. The third user level is directed at the employees working at the respective locations. It is at this level that you find the highest concentration of information. For example, one working at the blast furnace is able to access more information than a visitor. However, the most extensive information he has access to is related to the blast furnace. The integration of multilingual text is a standard feature of Praesent3D. Information text can be entered in various languages. Multiple choice tests enable user groups to monitor their learning. The tests can be put together in any number or order of stations desired. An automatic tabulation of the test results is provided. Due to the internet capability of Praesent3D, one can make a test available to users through the internet that can be taken from their home computer. A guided tour takes the user through the planned facilities from location to location where he has the opportunity to obtain specific information about each place. Through a click of a button, the user can access a guided tour that is provided for his convenience. The user can leave the guided tour at any time and start again where he left off. In this way, the user can get additional information if he so desires. Praesent3D Multimedia Training and Presentation System.